Tuscaloosa Sheriff's Department down in Alabama, they recently transferred their helicopter over to the Tuscaloosa Police and invested in a drone program. So we built a trailer, a 7x14 trailer for them that incorporates the Xantrex system. Even though drones can be integrated into it, it goes well beyond drones. It's a mobile command center.
Now they've got drones out with a lot of their deputies, so they have many of them deployed at one time. It's a huge cost savings for them compared to operating a helicopter. We equipped them with some drone equipment, and then we also built them a UAS command trailer so they can run all of their drone response activity out of that trailer. So for larger events, they can fly drones from the interior of the trailer. They can stream that information out to other authorities who need to see that information. But it gives them an area to work out of. It's got a daylight screen on the outside of it, so they can have people standing around the outside of the trailer and be able to see that drone imagery that's coming in from multiple aircraft. There's a inverter charger in there, so they do have a little bit of battery backup. So it runs on a generator setup, but then critical systems are on a battery backup so that if they lose power, they can have those critical systems available.
We have solid confidence with Xantrex. We know that it works. We can't fail our customers if they go out on a mission. They need the constant power. They need that mission critical electronic setup where they know that they're going to plug in their devices and they'll have power. And that's one of the joys of partnerships with Xantrex, that we know that the systems work. We use them in multiple vehicles. We'll continue to use them in multiple vehicles.
People come to us with problems and we get to go back and figure out the best way to do it. And Xantrex has been a great partner to help us do that. But we don't say no to anything. When we're approached with a problem from a customer, we find the solution for it. Our experience with Xantrex stuff has been top notch. It's been great, and we put a lot of time on the back end in R&D trying to figure out what are the best components that we can build into it. And we found that the Xantrex stuff works every time. It's easy to use, and it's a critical piece that we don't have to worry about when our vehicles are out there. They're deployed for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and in a public safety scenario or a law enforcement scenario, they need power immediately. And when they can go back in the back of the van and flip one switch, everything comes on, and they can have all that critical information. It's crucial. So not having to worry about the power setup is huge for us, and it gives us peace of mind when we send a vehicle out. We know that it's equipped the right way to last forever.